If you're developing a physical product, you probably think changing a dimension or switching a material late in development is just an engineering tweak. You update the CAD file, send them revision, problem solved. That's not how product development actually works. Most inventors assume these tweaks are isolated changes that only affect the design. But once your design is locked, you're not just modifying a product, you're disrupting an entire system. Your tooling quotes become invalid. Your supplier commitments reset. Your testing protocols restart from zero. The expensive part isn't the design change. It's that your entire manufacturing ecosystem was already synchronized around your original specifications. After 30 years developing more than 2,000 products, I've learned something most inventors discover the hard way. Late changes often cost more than starting over because you're not just updating a part, you're unwinding a web of decisions built around your original design. Let me show you why. Point 1. Why one small change breaks everything downstream. A single design change feels small inside CAD, but downstream, it triggers a cascade. Let's say you change a dimension. Your tooling supplier must redesign the mold. That changes the tooling quote, which affects your budget, which delays your timeline. Now let's say you switch materials. Your component supplier now has to source a different material. That means new quality procedures, new preparation, sometimes new supplier qualification entirely. Assembly changes cause another wave. Factories must retrain workers, reconfigure production lines, update their quality control checkpoints. Tolerance adjustments create another problem. Suppliers must reassess whether the machining processes can even meet new tolerances. Packaging changes ripple outward too. New product dimensions affect shipping costs, storage space, and fulfillment logistics. Even performance tweaks cause problems because new specs trigger additional testing, certifications, and regulatory reviews, which can take months. One change rarely stays one change. It becomes a domino effect, and every domino represents real work suppliers already completed. Point 2. How your suppliers actually work. Most inventors imagine suppliers waiting for their order. That's not reality. Suppliers prepare months in advance. They order materials, reserve production time, configure equipment, all based on your specifications. Your tooling supplier ordering specific grades of steel for the mold. If geometry changes, that steel may already be purchased, meaning you start over. Component manufacturers plan production around your material specs. Switch materials, and they must requalify suppliers and test again. Assembly factories train workers specifically for your product. They configure workstations and sequence assembly steps. Change the process, and their entire line must realign. Quality control labs develop testing protocols specifically for your design. They calibrate equipment to match your production specs. Packaging suppliers create custom tooling and materials based on your dimensions. Change the size, new tooling, new materials, waste from the old preparation. When you revise specifications, suppliers don't just adjust. They discard preparation work they already invested in, and they expect to be paid for all that. If you're realizing your development process might be setting you up for expensive late-stage changes, don't wait until you're locked into supplier commitments. I offer free strategy sessions where we analyze your project and show you how to establish proper specification freeze protocols before you commit to tooling or manufacturing. Click the link in the description and see if your development process can actually protect your budget. Point 3. The engineering ripple effect. Engineering changes also trigger internal consequences. When you modify a design, engineers must rerun analysis, structural modeling, thermal testing, safety evaluations, not just for the part you changed, for every connected component. Material changes create another layer. Engineers must analyze how different materials interact under stress, under temperature, under long-term wear. Dimensional changes affect fit between components. Now you need tolerance analysis across the entire assembly. Component changes trigger interface reviews. Engineers must confirm the new part still integrates correctly with existing systems. Performance modifications require updated validation testing, new certification documentation, and sometimes regulatory approvals. Manufacturing process changes require feasibility studies to confirm the process actually works at scale, not just in a prototype. Every engineering change also triggers documentation updates, revision control, approval workflows. All of that consumes weeks of project time. The change you thought was simple, it just restarted half the project. Point 4. How smart inventors prevent late changes. Experienced inventors avoid this trap with discipline. The first step is establishing a specification freeze date, a clear point in development when specifications become locked. After that date, changes are treated as business decisions, not engineering tweaks. Smart teams conduct deep design reviews before freezing specs, and they include manufacturing experts in those reviews because problems discovered early cost hundreds to fix. Problems discovered later cost thousands. Professional inventors also use structured change control systems. Every modification is evaluated for its full impact: engineering, tooling, suppliers, timeline. Only then is the change approved or rejected. Experienced teams also invest in feasibility analysis during concept development. They identify specification risks early before supplier commitments exist. They also maintain detailed specification documentation, so when changes are proposed, they understand exactly what will be affected. The best product launches happen when inventors treat specification freeze as a business strategy, not just an engineering milestone. Late specification changes are so expensive because you're not just modifying a design, you're disrupting an ecosystem. Suppliers, processes, testing, preparation work, all synchronized around your original specifications. Smart inventors understand that specifications create real commitments across their entire development network. The most successful products aren't just great ideas. They're managed with disciplined specification control because protecting your design decisions protects your investment and it gets your product to market faster. Now you understand why changing your product details late in the process can cost more than starting over. But implementing proper specification management requires engineering experience most inventors don't have. That's exactly why our product evaluation service exists. We help you establish the right specification discipline and change control procedures before you commit to expensive tooling or supplier relationships. So you make the critical decisions early when changes are affordable, not late when they destroy your budget. Click on the link below to book your free strategy session. And when you're done, watch my video, The Hidden Design Flaw That Kills Products at 10K Units. It explains the other development decisions that get locked in early, but only create problems when you try to scale. So click it now.